says when he shows up. He's probably furiously driving down the back roads right now, but I'm sure he'll be here soon.
All right, got that link out. We live, baby. So, gang, what is up? What is up? What is up? To be honest, man, we've hit all-time highs. Um, gonna be patient, man, cause the narrative with rate cuts is that it's usually bad for the markets. So I mean, the markets is still incredibly bullish right now as far as order flow. Um, we haven't broken or trade. I'll say we haven't traded above all-time highs at 57.82.75. So we've hit all-time highs, and we've started to pull back a little bit now. Um, this could be a great short opportunity down to about 57.40. That's where I see the last hour candle that was bearish. That looks like a nice area of demand. We've expanded out the whole entire time this morning, so um, I'm seeing in bookmap where we are pulling back down to two levels. Bookmap has about 119 orders at 56.95. Not sure whether they are buy or sell, but there are orders at 56.95. So get this cable real quick. Some I have to stop doing that. I had my mic muted YouTube, so I was probably you probably who were wondering what's up with this nigga sound, alright? So let me say all that again, man, because I had my mic muted. So we are at all-time highs. So looks like we're rejecting all-time highs. From a daily perspective, yeah, it's pretty much what we're doing right now. Price was extremely bullish post FOMC, so I'm gonna be extremely patient today because I just want to be on the right side of the market. Um, does look like we are trying to pull back here, but the thing is, are we pulling back to then further, go long, or are we reversing from all-time highs? That is what my question is for today. Are we pulling back to further continue longs, or are we reversing from all-time highs because of Fed cuts? Excuse me. So from an hourly perspective, man, it definitely looks like we're dropping off. I was mentioning what I'm saying from Bookmap is orders that are stacked at 56.95. It's about 120. Um, looks like a high area of liquidity right there. So just watching and being patient, man. That's my plan. My plan is to honestly see how we react when we get to this 30-minute level right here, if we get there. Um, to either then continue longs. This price does look like we are trying to pull back here. And what time is it? 9:41. I don't want to get active. I don't want to get too active before 10 o'clock. That's my special hour, man. I call it the hour of power. You can catch some sweet moves depending on your position size and how you know. Two minutes until this 15-minute candle closes. We are at some little minor levels of demand right now. 57.66. I'm not too sure. Let me restart Bookmap because Bookmap is not at current price right now. I don't know why this might keep cutting off. Uh, 57.61. This isn't right, bro. This is not right. Mm, 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 mm. Pretty cool to see. Meadows, my boy. What's good, E? Um, I'm a little hands off right now, man. Bookmap is showing me different prices from from trading. I mean, from Top Step X right now, and I'm honestly not sure why. It's kind of weird. We are approaching that level that I was kind of looking to trade from. Let me see where we are. 57, 37. I don't like that. I do not like that. I honestly. Let me see something real quick. Book. Yeah. I ain't got no music playing. Dang. All over the place. Oh, yes, too. I don't know if I put that. And right now we pulled back. Still not at the level that I was looking at though, so still hands off. It's a nice pullback though. What's up, bro? ES and NQ are literally going in opposite directions. News at 10. Home sales, August, and MOM. Yeah. So you said NQ. You said NQ was ripping. Let me see.
It is though right now. Never mind, I was in the
It's just not pulling back as intense as S&P is right now. That's the only thing.
To pull back.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what's. Hold on, stream. Let me get something right real quick. Hold on, stream. All right. Okay, let me get back. All right, there we go. 56.99. Prices at 57.57. 5 minutes. We definitely have a change in character, but like I said, I want to see if this is a reversal or is this just a buy the dip scenario. News at 10, home sale. Yup, hands off for sure. Yeah, my boy, for sure. We got a little bit until this news pop out anyway. So yeah, definitely hands off. Till then, hopefully Bookmap give me some answers on what is going on and why price is not matching. Don't like that. What I just said, Bookmap. And ESZ24 top step. ESU4
Intense, brother. This is intense. Damn, boy.
Did the contract switch over or something? Yeah, hands off. I honestly feel if the news is bearish, it's over. Blood in the streets type of day. Like you said, we're at all-time highs and rejecting hard. I need to get that Bookmap. Yeah, man. And all right, hold on. The symbol code after the rollover is ES. I have rhythmic. In order to change that contract after the rollover, you have to do it manually by adding the new symbol, please. So hold on, can I just, let me see. I need rhythmic and I need, yeah, so how do I change that bit? ESZ4. The symbol code after, okay, we had contracts rollover. That's what I was figuring. In order to change the contract after the rollover, you have to do it manually by adding the new symbol. Please either press the plus icon to open a new chart or press the short key combination and then just type in the new symbol with the new contract code. You can find the new contract code for the relevant instrument by checking this quick video if you want to copy all the settings. Let me see. Rhythmic. Oh, I gotta type that in. That's what he said. Is that what he's talking about? ESZ4. ESZ4. $57, 60. Yep, we locked in. Alright, boom. I did not know that the contract for ES, let me know how it goes. We are all good. Thank you. Subscribe. I did not know that the contract expired. That's why.
Damn.
Huh?
I said, damn, but that shit is coming down, but damn.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Feel free to reach out if you're like, I'm good, bro. All right. Man, this could be either an entry for shorts Bookmap support. Oh yeah, and we got home man. We got news coming out now.
Well, yeah, 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
You said we either got some shorts or what was you about to say?
Hold on, I'm about to show my screen.
Market is up and stuck, boy. God or something. What you done?
Swear to God, I hope we die.
Yep. I mean, the Pop's only been paying it for the past.
Promise you, man. I hope we faint.
Take all this away.
Golly.
I got over here for
Yes, sir. 11 points. I just want to see one of these little red boxes pop up on Bookmap.
There you go.
Promise God, boy. I just want to see them folks get active. Shouts out to them homies that keep pulling up on me on YouTube, man. Y'all the goats.
Shout out to him, man.
Yes, sir.
Keep coming back.
Yes, sir.
$36 brother.
Yeah, third. Bookmap super thin right now too.
Very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Show me the sun.
Alright, we exhausting up here on Bookmap at this little level where we at right now. I want to see some exhaustion.
That's crazy. I done pulled back already. I'm waiting on, but I'm kind of skimming back and forth through these boys.
Yeah, ES looked like it already kind of retraced 50% of this big pullback that we done had.
And SPX is like in the middle of.
Yup, SPX definitely in the middle.
See where this is going. And that nice wick on that 30-minute let's take it out. Shit.
Man.
Alright, let me see. Let me check. Now this boy, ooh, let me narrow this down right quick, bro.
We at the 50. We at the 50 on ES. Negative news. All right. Negative news. Man, this thing may steamroll these highs, man. I ain't lying. Let me see what the
Got some get back on now.
boy. It's like they literally engineered the market to just be bullish no matter what. Cause I promise you, I was not expecting to see price this high. You know what I'm saying? Before pre-market, I was not expecting that.
It's just been sitting up here this morning.
Man,
I just thought they would have went ahead and clinked that little gap down there at least so we could show some signs of, getting on back down yonder. But
right.
maybe the big short is gonna be bigger than we thought.
All right, we hit the 70 and we rejecting crazy. We dip back beneath this 50%. I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna start out with 3, but we got to get back up underneath that 50. I really want to sell up under VWAP for real. On that 2 minute, she was approaching VWAP on the 2 minute, but yeah, like I said, we got to get back up at least up under there.
We overpriced right now, bro.
Man. I wish Jay was on here so he could tell us what that VIX doing. It must be up though, cause we definitely got volume. This mug is definitely pushing. Come on. I see a level on the 1 minute that'll confirm it if we do start dropping off. on ES. If we do start exhausting out. I want to see 1,000 lot sale pop up, man. It is at the 70%. Minute and 30 seconds to the 5-minute close. All right. I like that. I like to see that. 5-minute rejection. Need to stay bearish. Book map is consolidating right here. Oh no. What does it do? Why did I do it? Alright, there we go. Alright, 50 seconds. I want us to get up underneath this 50%, man. Alright. Yep. 3.
Order filled.
I'm short 3 contracts. Come on, close up underneath there. 9 seconds. Alright. That's nice. We hit too many VWAP. Got my stop down just a little bit. Got only 172 at the wrist. Okay. Still no big players have stepped in yet. We did get a nice little push down. I want to see some big players step in to confirm. I do see an area at 57.80. They just took it off. Wow, literally as soon as I said that. Literally as soon as I said it, it went away. Okay, never mind, they brought it back. 57.80, 251. We have 251 orders at 57.80. Oh, that's not cool. Why would you want to go get those orders? Why? Right.
Shorts gonna be goddamn.
All right. Why would you play with my emotions like that?
37.
Right.
Now let's just a break on a big break or something. Sheesh.
What time frame you looking at?
That's what the 4 hours doing.
Yeah, I was looking at the 1 hour sort of like that, like a break and retest to continue to the downside.
Yeah.
But it just
50% level.
right. The only thing is there was no bearish candles to confirm like any kind of structural break.
Now on the 4 hour, it looked like a break and retest to the upside.
Right.
But like you said, why the hell would y'all be trying to go up here and get 57.80? We already rejected hard as fuck up there, fella. What are you doing there?
Right. Why would you have any business up there? What business do you have? Why do they just throw them orders up there like that? Cause they definitely stacking them. Now it's 237 and 57.80.
They gonna get them up.
Yeah, that's gonna freaking take me out. We don't see any. $15-minute candle closing in a minute and 30 seconds. See what the 5 look like. Let's see what the 15 look like. See, if the 15 minutes stay here, it'll be a nice little rejection of this level, but them orders at 57.80 are on the books. Like, I can't deny that. Like I said, if that joint go get down, it's gonna take me out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of this whole position. Try it
Order
again.
filled.
We're gonna try that again. We're gonna try that again, chat. Gotta cut your loser short. Sometimes you gotta cut them bitches short. Sometimes. Now, if y'all go get them orders at 57.80 and then just split the bricks, then I'll be much obliged to short then. 2 minute gonna close beneath the 50% just to go back up there. That is lame. Alright, 15-minute closed. No 15-minute done threw in the wick.
Yeah.
We keep consolidating right here. Wow. Alright. We're gonna try these shorts again if we break this 1 minute structure up under this VWAP. That's the plan of action. We break VWAP, we're gonna short.
That shit chilling at the 50.
Yeah, it's at the 70 on ES now. But she's still pushing up there. They probably gonna get them 57.80 orders. That's where the liquidity is. Let's we still the only ones on here?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I should. Sweet.
Man, this is weird price action, bro.
Mm-hmm. Glad we learned how to wait, bro.
That's it.
Don't be getting all up in it, Mike.
Jumping all up in it.
Okay. Some checks from up here. Okay, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Uh, 10, 20, we got 10 minutes to this junk close. Some of those orders are gone from 5780. 3.
Oh, price action, price action. Oh, how we love you.
Yes, oh, how you love to play games with us.
Man, man. Trying to beta man, get all of it. Won't fool me.
Mm-mm. No, sir. No how. That's something else right there, boy. I feel like if we was gonna short, we would have started already. Like,
I agree.
yeah, because now that 4 hours is just
The structure that it's making on the way back up is not quite making sense.
right.
It's like it's building up for long. It's like it just look like it's like setting up for long, but
Mm-hmm.
we ain't got no choice but to.
Yup, there you go.
Mm, mm.
The sloth way is the only way. My boy, yeah, it save you, don't it? It just it'll save you, man. It will save you. Like it will give you the patience to just read the price action as it's happening, man. It leave you without all the making all the is it buying, is it selling, is it buying? Well, let's just wait and see. Then when you see a nice clear entry, you take it. You know. Does that coincide with that area? Yeah, it went to the 30-minute one. Wow, that's crazy. If you look at that 30 minute, that little pullback that happened at 9:30 went to the 30 minute demand, then just rejected and pushed back up. And surprisingly, VWAP was at the same level. So yeah, this is pretty wild.
You had my boy rocking with you yesterday, didn't you?
Huh?
You had my man's rocking with you yesterday.
Who that?
Jason Cash, nigga.
Oh yeah, man, yeah, bruh.
Yesterday.
Yeah, that's the guy. All time highs, baby. Done made new ones. 57.81. I'm glad I cut that loser. That loser short though.
Smart man, bro.
Yes, sir. Book me up, showing me what them orders and liquidity was sitting at. I said, oh no. I have to be a fool to just look at the truth and deny it.
Damn.
Yes, sir. We are above highs.
What up, brother?
What up, Percy? Man, why do y'all ask me that quick? Bro, I will forever only trade S&P. Like I'm not trading nothing else. I'm not looking at nothing else. I don't nothing. Just ES. I trade one thing. I'm sticking to it. Yes, and that's what I don't understand. Everybody will always hear the big dog say, "Yeah, man, until you are, and you're consistent, whatever, stick to one pair, stick to one strategy." And then niggas trade multiple strategies, multiple pairs, and then ask themselves, "Why am I getting wrecked by the market?" I swear to God, like if you look at the majority of the trading community, they will quote every OG's quote and be like, "All right, cool, I'm gonna do my own thing anyway though." Please reply. What strategy you use? I mean, like price action, MACD, RSI. What up, Ghost? Hey man, I use market structure shift strategies and supply and demand. That's what I like to see. I like to wait. I'm gonna give you a rundown, right? So I like to wait until price gets into an area of interest for me. This is an extreme area of supply. So I waited until price, got up in here. Now I got active at these wicks. And let me go to this other chart. What I seen from there was this drop off. So I was anticipating on this being a break and retest to continue the shorts. it just didn't work out that way. So I got short around the 70%, and as you can see, it gave some rejections, just not enough volume and momentum to push this price back down. That's what I look for. Now, if I was to just be looking for buys, this is what I would have seen had I had that in my mind. This area right here coincides with VWAP, and this is the last 30-minute level of demand. It's not really that major to me, which was why I wasn't all the way interested in buying from here. But had that been my strategy and had that been what I was looking for, I would have saw the play up like this right here. I would have highlighted this area right here. I would have highlighted that area because at the time VWAP was there. VWAP was resting right there. So seeing that is how many? That's too many points for me. Somewhere in here. That would have been nice conservative for me because we are up under some more structure that this was a high. We broke it and it came back down to retest that high and we made new ones from there. So, like, you know, if I was looking for the longs from that area, I would have had my stop right here. And then I would have targeted a 1-to-1. Obviously, it went way past that, and it did it very, very fast. As you can see, price went into this zone and popped out immediately. And you want to know what's crazy? I just was anticipating too many shorts because now we do have a market structure shift on the 2-minute. This area is a confirmed lower high that went into this demand, and then we burst out of it very, very fast, and price pulled right back right here to that level and then just bounced off VWAP again. So had I been looking at it, you know, following price and not just wanting to do my own thing, I could have taken those buys, but I wanted shorts because of all of the macroeconomic structure behind rate cuts and how price has historically moved whenever we had those rate cuts at the specific structure that it was presenting at the time. So that means to just look for longs again. That's literally what that means. I was on the wrong side of the market today, which is perfectly normal. You know what I'm saying? Having to tell myself that, having to hear myself say that is normal. Like it's normal. I was on the wrong side of the market. The more you get adjusted to saying that when you make a mistake, you won't revenge trade. I could have started revenge trading and you would have just seen me trying to short all of this whole time because I'm upset, I'm in my feelings, I'm emotional, and I can't stand to lose. So, you know, I didn't do that. I did it my first 3, 4, almost 5 years of trading. So, you know, you take a whole bunch of losses and blown counts, blown challenges, all of that. You'll learn real quick to wait. I remember Roger used to say when he took a loss, he would wait for the 30-minute candle to close before he even thought about taking another trade because you need to see more data. Obviously, I wasn't looking at the data for what it was presenting me, so I stuck to my bias of shorts, which is cool. So now we may have a buy the dip opportunity coming up. We just got to be careful because this right here, this level right here was the recent highs. That was the most recent level of highs on the day. So let's draw this little blue line or black, whatever it is, black line right here. We're going to see how price reacts to this level. I got to be on it because Bookmap is showing me that it is definitely retracing. So I want to see what price action does on these micro time frames.
This sale's going to happen right here, right now.
Mm-hmm.
Will we bust through? You know? That motherfucker. He killed him. He's stuck. Well, how do you think that's going to decide the recent high was just prime? It ain't one, bro.
Yeah, it ain't one. Just probably just go for the best thing I'd say. Probably just go for a 1-to-1.
Honestly, that 1-to-1 is going to be the next high, like we just played, right? Sales, bro.
What you say, Percy?
No, I said the next high, like you would probably take. I mean, that I'll probably take the buy to is the one we just printed, right?
Yup. Yeah, ain't no targets. Just optimism.
Oh no, I don't trade. I'm just saying, that boy.
Okay, yup, we rejected it. Look at that. Look at that right there. We rejected it.
We are on. We got to drop to like 15 seconds or 30 seconds.
Right, yeah, that's why I'm on the 30 right now. Let me see what this 15 doing. I hate being that low sometimes. But sometimes that's the only charts that'll give you that price action.
We got a little good demand on our own unit.
All right. Retrace.
Order filled.
Last trade of the day, guys. Wait, what did I just do? Wow. All right, let me stop that. Let me stop that right there. I just hit the wrong thing.
Order filled.
There we go. It's like, why is that my stop? It's not supposed to be my stop. What time is it? 10:39. Q. Come on, turn me up, ES. Turn me up. Turn me up, ES. Nah, don't turn me up like that, though. Oh, I didn't see you. Thank you for explaining. Oh, we got stopped out. That sucks. Thank you for explaining, brother. You do swing or scalp. I don't know why, but every time there is, what does that say? Rate cut, market drops, but this time it's sustained. What's your viewpoint? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. Every time in history we've ever had a rate cut, brother, the market just sunk into an abyss, like a just everlasting abyss. And this time it does not happen. And that's honestly why they say, man, you cannot go off of determined market conditions to place trades. You just have to wait on the actual price action to determine that. But that's the risk we take, man. That's the risk we take. You know, it's to me, it's all about keeping the risk small. Like I just took 2 trades, only lost $171. You know what I'm saying? Like that lose. If you're gonna lose, make sure it's a beautiful loss. Don't just lose for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Actually plan something out, and if you lose, it's perfectly fine. Like I deal with risk to reward as well. So as long as my next trade is big enough, the winner is big enough to recuperate most of that loss, I'm all fine. You know what I'm saying? Because it's about the long game here. It's always about the long game, man. And something else you can kind of play as well. What if price just ran the all-time highs to die? You know what I'm saying? Like, what if this was ultimately a liquidity grab from the upside? Grab all-time highs and then faint. Well, yeah, Inevitable Ghost, man, I appreciate you for coming to the stream, bro, and asking some questions, man. That does my heart good, bro. Stick with me, man. We're going to make some great decisions. A lot of people just, throw the fact out, oh, yeah, we're going to make a lot of money together, man. But me, I want to make a great decision. You know what I'm saying? If I make a great decision, then in turn, I will make a lot of money. That's just how it goes. You just make better decisions than you did the last time. And then in turn, that's usually how it happens. How can I learn price action? Hold on. And master it. Any book suggestions or mentors on YouTube? Yes. Trading in the zone is honest. Wait, what did you say? Price action. I think time is the only thing that will help you. You are an honest person. Yeah, man, I try to be honest as possible. Like, there's no reason to lie to yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I actually want to be great at this. So the more honest I am with myself about my mistakes and my mess ups and all of that, man, it's just, it's better you be honest with yourself than to lie to yourself. Because you can lie to social media, you can lie to your homies. You can't lie to yourself, though. And that sucks when you try to do that.
That's real as hell right there, boy.
Yeah, man. Just being honest with yourself, man.
Some people live by it though, bro. That's crazy.
Yup.
Lie to yourself in a heartbeat. Dang.
I promise you, bro. How many trades you took today? Shit, I took 12. You gonna tell everybody else you took 2 though? Like, nah, man. Keep it hot. I respect that. Trading in the range book, right? Trading in the zone. That book is phenomenal. And time, bro. Time is honestly the thing that I will say will give you that, that edge. All right, I really feel like this is about to happen now. I really feel like what we just did, we just ran those highs, bro. We ran those highs to short. And I see this happen a lot. I see this happening a lot. Love you, brother. Love you too, man. Love you too, dog. I hope you have major success in your trading journey. I pray you never give up, man. Pray you never give up. I don't know how far or how long you've been doing it, but man, the only thing that guarantees success is to never quit in anything in life. You could be doing whatever, bro, but that is the true way to guarantee success. Never, ever stop. Just don't stop. That's it. All right, here we go.
Order filled.
Last one. Because now look at the 4 hour. We are still inside of that band, but we have rejected crazy. Do you stream daily? Yeah, man. I will be here until they shut YouTube down or like trading is just halted. I got a target at the end of these lows. Huh? Yup. I don't know why I'm naturally a better seller than I am a buyer. I can't not explain that. But I've heard this from other traders. Like, some people are better at doing one thing than the other. Like, some people are honestly better buyers than they are sellers. And I used to tell myself, man, try to be, balanced or whatever. But just listening to myself, knowing myself, I truly am a better seller than I am a buyer. I've seen price just smash very, very fast to the downside. And because if we coming down, I always have a target to the downside. But if we break all time highs, I don't know where we gonna stop at. I just have to be hopeful that we just keep going up, and that is, I don't like to think like that. I heard somebody say, "Hey man, why you want to short the S&P? We live in America." And I don't know, bro. I just sell better than I do buy. Than I buy. I don't know. I can't explain it. How much have you made in the past 5-7 years of day trading, and how much have you lost while learning? I've lost more than I've made. At what time you come live? I will definitely try to come daily and learn from you. Man, honestly, that means so much, dog. That what you just said means more than the money that I have made, because you see value in something that I have and you wish to learn it from me. That is top tier to me. You know what I'm saying? That's top tier to me, bro. But I've lost over 10 grand. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I've lost and made almost just as much, just from learning and experiencing things and just getting into bad mental psychology moments. I've lost what I made. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just in the journey of just trying to make consistent decisions that in turn lead me into making more money. I mean, one thing you're gonna see me be honest, man. I ain't gonna hide my losers. I ain't gonna hide my winners. I'm gonna flaunt my winners. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But I'm definitely gonna, you're gonna see when I lose, and all of that, bro. All of that. Okay, this is probably at the max I've ever had people on here. It just sucks that y'all gotta catch the stream when I'm losing. That's whack. Like, why couldn't y'all been here when we had them 3 fire days when we just smacked the market very fast?
I swear to God.
Right. Y'all had to come watch me get chopped up. Do you trade in BTC? No, I took one Bitcoin trade in my entire trading career, and it blew my account. It actually left my account in the negative with my broker.
Alright, for life, that's it. Shit, fuck that. We are not going back down that road.
No, man. Golly. Man, I ain't never seen no chart ever move in like thousands of dollar increments. Like, price was moving by the thousands. Price was moving by the thousands, dog. I go live from about 9:30 till 11, man. So I'm gonna be ending the stream soon. Probably. Oh man, I had a little. Hold on, right quick. My screen gives me limits. Thanks. It's my wife down there.
Lord have mercy. Very observant day for you, boy.
Yeah, man. I just hate that I'm trash at buying.
Bro, you remember we used to go back and forth about that?
Bruh, that's exactly why I said that. Cause you said you was better at selling,
I
right?
was a better buyer, and you would never understand that. She like, bro, the market do the same thing both ways.
Yeah, you was better at buying, right?
Yeah, I remember that. You used to say you was better at selling. But then you was like, damn, bro, the market do the same thing both ways.
Yeah, it's just something about what it does to your visual, like.
Yeah, fact. Seeing it come down from up there is like a little, I took big, but I think honestly, overall selling would be easier than buying.
Yeah, because you have a target. Like it's something to sell to. Unless you're just buying to like, buy and get back to, wherever. But if you selling, you either got the ground as a target or like your most recent low.
Yeah, that's the same thing with buying though. It's gonna be your most recent high.
But see, once you cross them highs, where we going?
It's like your eyes see it like. Bro, you take it to that high. That's how I trade it. I don't go over the high. I mean, ain't no target over the high.
Right. See, and I'm more inclined to go above the high. Depending on I'll say this, depending on the position. Like if I had a nice, nice position size and everything, like my entry was, mint, then yeah, I'll ride it to those highs, especially if the highs is a good, decent risk to reward for sure. But like if I have a crappy position size or whatever, and I'm like, dang, that 1-to-1 or 1 to whatever, it's either gonna not satisfy me enough or I don't know. I don't know why I sell better than I buy. I can't explain that. But that's where I take most of my L's because I will just start looking for retracements that'll turn into, you know. And right now I have the macroeconomic thing on my side, which is why I'm trying to. One day I'm going to watch you gain profit of 10K in signal trades. God bless you with huge profit and a Ferrari. You want to, hey man, hey, this dude right here, hey, I want to add you on Instagram, bruh. Like,
Inevitable.
bruh, yeah, inevitable ghost, bruh. I've never had anybody tell me that, dog. That's, man, hey man, brother. And I pray you make 10K in signals, man. And God place you in a Ferrari and a Lambo, man. I hope you accomplish all your dreams, goals, visions, all of that, bro. That means so much that you even thought enough to say that, man. The fact that you stayed on here, you asked questions, you engaged with me, bro. That's all I ask, man. Like, share the stream, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. That's some good positive energy for real. I promise you, man, I ain't stopping until they stop YouTube or trading is illegal. Inevitable ghost, my man. Boy, that means more than you know, bro. I promise you, that means more than you know, man.
Got to pat it down, zip out, right? Pat it down, zip out, right?
I heard people say that being that they cut rates, man, we've entered a new market cycle. I sure hope they're right, cause bro, if we in a bearish market cycle, I'm gonna make.
Yes, sir. Talk about it.
I've been waiting for this for years, man. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Already subscribed, like, and bell is active. You are the man. Thank you, bro. That's all I can say, bro. Is thank you. Thank you. We gonna go to the top together, man. We going to the top together. I'm gonna make you a moderator. Yes, sir. Add as moderator. Managing moderator. There you go, brother. Let's just get a big fat bearish candle to finish off the session. Wow, thank you so much, man. Love you, bro. Hey, man, thank you, dog. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, man. Seriously. That's gonna keep me here for real. Like, I was gonna be here regardless, but the fact that is this my second week? Yeah, I think this is like my second week doing this, you know what I'm saying? The fact that you already like, subscribe, bell notifications on, and engaging with me, man, that's what I love, bro. And I would love it even more if prices gave me a big fat bearish candle. A big fat one too. Give me a big fat bearish candle to the lows. Book map has not shown me any big orders today to the buy or sell side. My husband's alive, and my husband lives and breathes these markets. He puts his all into being. He's out there himself for you all. Thanks, wifey. I do. I used to be throwing up because I was sick, wasn't getting not enough sleep, and just trying to, learn it. Just learn it. Sacrifice my health for it. Sounds pretty wild, right? I want it, man. I know that this will change my life, my family's lives, my friends that are connected to me. I'll be able to help in major ways. You know what I'm saying? And that's my dream car is that SVJ. But I know if I end up with that, when I end up with that SVJ, I would have put my place in a position to help people. You know what I'm saying? It's people that just need help out here. And for the ones that have true, genuine hearts and stuff like that, I'm going to always be there to help, man, because I wish I had it, you know what I'm saying, when I started. I wanna be for people what I wish someone would have, been for me. That's just it. That's just it. Here we come. Here we come. Come on down to the bottom end. Come on down to the bottom end. Give me that big fat bearish candle. I see that he is very dedicated. Will definitely succeed. Man. I thought ES was going to turn me up. My boy Inevitable Ghost turned me up. Yes, sir. Man, I want price to get from. Let me see if there's any liquidity to the downside. Now, when price, one thing I did see is hella orders. Let me see if they still there. Because when FOMC came out yesterday, I had just looked. It did that same. Okay, we do have a floor at 57.35. 57.35. There is a floor at 57.35. 376 orders there at 57.35. Now, when FOMC came out yesterday, let me see if they still there. Yeah, it's about 400 orders at 56.25. I seen that when price came out with when they dropped price yesterday. That was the only thing that was left on the book was 56.30. So, and there's other areas, but they're not a lot of orders. There's 400 of them things sitting at 56. What did I just say? 56. Yeah, 56.30. There are 400 orders sitting at 56.30 to the downside. 56.75. We got 92. That's kind of light. 57 clean. We got 133. So there are targets to the downside. There is liquidity resting to the downside. It's just, where are these boys going to take this market? I could only imagine that there would be sale limits at the top. That would just be my honest opinion. Now, markets can use those sale limits as orders because they're orders. That's all this thing looks for. Buy order, sell order, limit order, stop orders. They're all orders. Exactly. And when he does, he's bringing all his family and friends with him. His heart is so big. Yes, go 200. Yeah, man. My wife said it best. Oh, that's not cool. I don't like to see it right there. That's another market structure shift back to the upside. So you see exactly how we. Yeah, let me go ahead and get that out of there. Let me get that out of there. Huh? Okay. Good stuff.
Order filled.
That's because we ain't closed below the demand on that 1 hour. And like the 1 hour, you see what 1 hour closed, the last candle, and you take it to the 1 minute, we still above the demand.
Yeah, we definitely are. Hold on. Say that again.
And we just did the structure shift on the 1 minute.
Right. Yeah, right in here, this last little lower high, back down, we breached it. We've breached it. So price could go back bullish and go back to the upside. And we have no control over that. Who is this? Uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back.
Heck yeah, but I'm sorry, you know, we probably just back tomorrow with. I don't want to say I was too anticipated on this set.
I was.
That's why I just fired this wasn't. So I'll wait. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's really rain, so fuck it.
The smaller time frames are building the price action because right now it's just at the hourly highs with like a stupid fat rejection right now. But we're gonna see, is this rejection an actual retracement? Because had I not taken the trade today and I had been looking long, this is just a theory trade right here. This is just a theory trade. I'm not taking this, but in theory, this is very, very volatile. Charge clearly showing bearish, but it's trapping traders. Right. Yeah, exactly, man. Like we haven't broken highs to continue trading to the highs. We just keep trading to the highs and rejecting them. But we don't come far enough down to have a market structure shift on a hour's perspective. Like that's just what happens. So 9 times out of 10, next week will be better than this week. But yeah, negative what, 248 on the day? Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all, man. Lower high and lower low patterns. Yup. Yes, sir. Well, it's 11:07. My time here has ended. First losing stream day. It's all cool. It's all cool. Because I have more winning streams than I do losing streams. Yeah, man. Inevitable, man. Tell all your homies. Tell all your friends. We're going to be here, bro. New York session, live stream trading, man. We're going to be here. To the next time. Well, yeah, to tomorrow, man. To tomorrow. Y'all be smooth. Great session, bro. And Meadows still stuck around. See, that's what I'm talking, man. That's why you my guy, bro. You my guy, bro, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all.
My man on IG.
Who, Meadows? Oh, wow, look at this. Look at what's going on. Look at that. Bruh. Hey, if I hope it does sell. Even though I'm not in it, I pray it sells. Like, I just want to be right in direction. I want to be right in direction. Just get down there. Get down there, man. Because I manually closed the position. Had I not done that, though, I still will be in this position. It's okay. Losing is also a part of the journey. We already know you win way more than you lose. My boy. Yeah, sometimes we just struggle with trying to find a direction because the market just piss all over the place. And then, you know, when you've exhausted all the bullets in your gun, that's when it's like, all right, free targets. It's all good, man. I want to be right in direction, though. Like, I do not want this market to keep going up. I'm sorry, Percy. I know you in buys. I know you in buys, man, but I have an ego problem at times. And even if I was too early on my entries, I hate being wrong. And I hate being wrong in direction more than I hate being early in a trade. You know what I'm saying? And even if I exhaust all my, oh my God, it literally trapped multiple traders. That was perfect. Man, see, yeah. Traps. Traps, they set. We have to try our best to avoid them at best we can. But yeah. Risk management was on point today. My psychology was on point today. No over trading, no revenge trading, no stupid over leveraging, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is, you know, a part of the game. A mentor that because you asked about mentors earlier. Trading with Monty. He used to go live like every London session for about 4 or 5 years straight. He has a private community now that because he's not into the facade of it all. He just wants to make sure people have a real skill set built and then go off and do your own thing. So trading with Monty, I learned my discipline from him because he would just hurt your feelings if, you know, you would send in a chart to him and he would tell you, like, you know, your chart's either wrong. Why are you taking this position here? He would just, he wouldn't spare your feelings. And that's what I admired about him, is his realness and resilience. So trading with Monty, who is another trader that I would suggest? Big dogs. Yeah, but you know, Roger more Hollywood. I don't even know if he teach. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if Roger teach anymore. Like, cause you know, he used to, huh?
What? Nah, go ahead. You said what?
I was gonna say he used to hold those little, you know, you remember them little mentorships and them little, what you call it? He used to do. It's been a long time since I seen him do any of that. I was subscribed to him too. Cool.
There ain't nobody you can really put beside Monty, honestly. He was the only, like, real one that was, you know, to me.
Yeah. Promise you. Monty definitely had that just make you want to just be disciplined, you know what I'm saying? Just make you want to not do stupid stuff. That's the energy that I got from Monty. But yeah, man. What you say? I was subscribing to how much trades you trade. I only take 2 trades in a day. I only take two trades in a day because I literally just can't physically stomach, like, just too many trades. It's hard for me. Now, my guy Meadows Futures, I think Meadows could probably realistically take, what you say, Meadows, 10, 15 in a day, because he looks for positions that will allow his psychology to be able to hold those positions. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. His last video was uploaded 5 months ago. Yeah, man, Monty isn't in the he's not in the social media space anymore. But all of those old videos, bro, that's where I learned the majority of my discipline. And just I kind of could read the charts a little bit. I think I learned structure from I learned market structure from some different people. They're not public, but that's where I learned market structure from. I'm an intraday trader, so I try to look for positions that will, give me a good 1 to 2 risk to reward with probably about 15 to 20 points in profit. That's kind of my little MO. You know what I'm saying? Meadows is an extreme scalper. You know what I'm saying? So for people who scalp and in and out fast, Meadows is in and out quick, looking for 10 points on NQ. Some of my other homies, my boy Lambo Trey, another intraday trader. Looney John, I think that's his IG handle. Looney John, another intraday trader, but he does scalp not as often, but he does scalp as well. I don't think Dr. Dollar is on social media anymore, but he's a guy you can. I did 24 today, all micros, but realistically 3 because I was trimming the positions. Okay, got you. You hear what my boy said? 24. 24 of them things. But yeah, I'm not sure. You can also make short 5-minute videos in which you can share your learning and teach about indicators, MA price action, etc. It will be very helpful for us. I actually am in the process of working on my very first trade breakdown from 2 days ago. I made about 2,300 in about 7 minutes. So once again, man, that's just the sucky part. Today was your learning and teach about indicators. Today was a losing day. So that's all cool. Yeah, but once I finish this editing process on this trade breakdown, I think y'all will rock with it, man. I really think y'all will rock with it for real. Really think y'all will rock with it. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for me. I'll be back tomorrow and the weeks after that, man. Y'all be good. Y'all stay safe. Oh yeah, the Bulls will induce you to buy. The Bears, they will entice you to sell. But the sloth encourages you to wait.